As you can see, I've been busy picking loads of greenery from my garden, so I'll take it out of the bucket and show you what I've got. First of all, I've got some conifer. I love the fact it's quite a dark green foliage with some paler tips at the end, and it's also got a lovely draping character to it. This is rhododendron that's come from my garden, and I've chosen this because, again, I like the rosette form on the leaf, and you can just see the buds coming out here. The leaves are quite dirty, so I have washed those, just juggled them round in a bucket of water, and if you had any leaf shine, you could spritz that on, and it would just really bring up a lovely shine to the leaves. And next up, I've got some lilac, which is just coming into bud, so that will open out as well. There's also some azalea buds. They're quite dramatic. You can imagine if you're arranging in winter, you could just make an arrangement with sticks. Here I've picked some hydrangea. I'm slightly concerned that leaves aren't going to hold up, but I'll come back and talk about that later. And then some more sticks and buds, just for some textural contrast. So if you are picking greenery from the garden and you're not sure whether it's going to hold up, particularly when you're picking really early in the year, what you can do is, and when you recut the stems, is just plunge them into some boiling water. So I've got the kettle here, it's recently boiled, putting it into a heat-proof jug. And as I recut the stems, plunge the stems into the boiling water and then set them down into your vase of cool tap water. And if you want to reveal any buds or flowers you've got, you could always pinch off some of these leaves, and that disguises the fact if you have got anything particularly droopy, and it just shows off the lovely flower heads or berries